Like damn, she a homie. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she a homie.
Good morning, guys. I'm whispering because today's Tiana's birthday, and so I'm trying to get all of her birthday stuff set up before she wakes up. It's really not that early. I probably should have set an alarm clock. It's currently it's 7:40. She's gonna be waking up any minute, so I'm trying to hurry up and get her birthday stuff set up so that when she gets up and comes downstairs, she'll see everything. Hopefully we can get her to somehow magically stay in the bed a little bit longer so I can get this done. Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys what I got for PR from House of Party. I love their packaging. It's so cute. So they sent me, I just ripped the box. It's because I'm opening it wrong. Pull the tab out first. Still rip the box. Yeah. They sent me a whole balloon garland kit. So we have pink, silver, and white balloons. And then we also have some confetti balloons mixed in with that. So if you guys are interested in ordering this, I'll leave the link below. I do get a 5% commission. So it is an affiliate link. So if y'all want me to get paid, please shop for my link. And then they also sent me a Mosaic Letter. I love their boxing. Like, they snap with this. Okay. So I have a Mosaic Letter. They sent me the letter T. It looks like they send you pretty much everything that you need to do this. It's a whole kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this put together. And hopefully I can get done before she wakes up. Y'all pray for me.
They say I bang, they never toy with me. Royal from the crown to my fucking feet. They say talk that talk, walk but please avoid the streets. Lock the jaw, lock the door, avoid the speech. Cause once you speak, bullshit peak like when you leak. Cop a pill, cop a feel, rock the least. How the fuck you do that in them damn J's? All these bars, no police.
Okay, so I did finish, but I ain't gonna hold y'all. Like, this was my first time doing balloon mosaics, so I know this is probably not the best, but it is what it is. So, okay, so I'm gonna go get her up. So I'll be right back. Okay, when she come downstairs, we're gonna yell surprise her happy birthday. Surprise or happy birthday. Which one? Which one first? Happy birthday. Okay. I like happy birthday. Oh, Bonnie coming up. Yeah, you have. Okay. Downstairs doing all of this stuff.
No, I fell asleep. Then woke up.
I went in your room to go check on you, and your TV was on because I heard your TV on. So I'm like, is she woke? So I went upstairs to go see if you was up. And then like you was laying in your bed, but you was like this on your pillow, but your eyes were closed. I was like, is she faking or is she really asleep? It's your birthday present. What is it? Real gold earrings. You like it? It's a little purse. So you can adjust the straps on it, and you can wear it as, I think you can wear it as a clutch or like a crossbody. So those might be too small. I think that you need the regular size now. So I'm gonna have to get you some different ones. They have these in like the regular sizes, so I'm probably gonna just order another set. But these are press-on nails, and there's a mini. I think these are for like little bitty kids. Like this is like toddler size.
Ooh,
you need some scissors?
Yeah.
These scissors don't do nothing.
Nail clippers are stronger.
I know, right? But I thought he was already up. Because as soon as I walked in the room, he popped up.
Oh, yeah. Is that cotton candy?
It is not cotton candy. Yeah.
Now you got fluffy blankets and fluffy pillows.
Did you get a soft blanket?
I did not get soft pillow.
Okay. For your birthday, we'll make sure you get a soft pillow.
Get the other package. What? Did she say it's gloss?
Yes, it's lip gloss, not chapstick.
It's a gloss.
Oh, not gloss. Lip gloss. Here, open it so you can see what it looks like.
It's so cute.
So it's a little water bottle, and it's got the straw in it so you can drink through the straw, or you can drink straight out of the spout, and it comes with the straps so you can wear it. And it comes with these little cute things so you can stick them on. So it's got like the little princess tiara, a sleepy star, a rainbow, and a little baby duck.
Did Tiana help with this?
No.
It's funny.
You can adjust the strap
I was about to
to make it longer.
scratch it off. I'm gonna scratch. You know that?
There you go. Okay. Show the camera. Cute.
Get you, can I have some? I wonder what.
Happy birthday, my big girl. 11 years old. I cannot believe it.
He call me Copper Tom, smoking ultraviolet. We turn off the phone. I'm in autopilot.